So in previous session we have talked about the advanced search feature which are available in Google Scholar, and we have explored these options that with all of the words with the exact phrase that will come in the double quotes and with at least one of the words. That means either of these words can appear, like epidemic or outbreak. So it is just like an OR operator. So now let's further refine this search. For that, the next option is without the words. So now you will be tried to more specific in to what you actually searching for, like some words or some phrases you don't want to include in your research. So suppose for that my topic is that sentiment analysis pandemic over the social media. So without the words, I'm just mentioning like sentiment analysis of suppose movies. So I'm just writing movies. So now if you search it, it will remove these words from the search. So it is just like a subtraction operator, or you can say minus sign. So when I apply this search, as with previous, you are getting the double quotes and a OR operator. By applying this option, you will get a minus sign over this search. Let me show you. Just search it out. So see, the results has been reduced, and if you see the research box, you can see the minus sign is there with the word, with the keyword, you can say movies. So without the words is just like a subtraction operator. So now we have discussed 4 options. So now move to next one. So now next we have where my words occur. So you can see by default it is anywhere in the article. So to narrow your search, just select the title of the article. Just click it. And you can see if I click on the search, just click on the search. So you can see that it is not able to give me a single result. So let me remove some word, like I'm just removing this movies. So now it is not providing me any result. So suppose I am just another thing I want to show you is that when I applied this option of title of the article, you can see it will search all in the title. That means this will search my words in the title part, not anywhere in the article. So that's why these words are not finding in any search. Let me add another words, like if I just remove this or also try to remove this, just try to search. So now you can see I am getting various options. So with sentiment analysis pandemic, with social media, I am getting different options. So that means these keywords are now searched in the title part. Okay, so now if you want to search for a particular author, for that what you have to do, just click on advanced search. So these 3 options are just like that. If you want to search for a particular author, article, or you want to search for a article published in IEEE, then you have to use this option. Another option is that if you want to search the papers or articles between some dates, like you want to search between 2015 to 2021, and for that you have to use this option. So let me show you these options one by one. So first is return articles authored by. So if you want any author article, just click on search. So no author has with name G. Heisenberg written this. So let me write. So you have to be very specific about this and know the words and the name of author, that they must be working on this or this particular topic, so that it will provide the results. Suppose I am searching for text mining. So from here I can get the name of author by searching this. You are able to see the file against the file. So if I just copy the name of this author and going to advanced search, so now you can see it will show all the papers of this particular author. So in this way you can search for a particular author. Now next option is about that if you want to retrieve results from a particular journal, like you want to search from IEEE. So now when you click on search, it will search all the papers from the IEEE journal. See, here is IEEE Explore. These all papers are from IEEE. Okay, and the last option is the dates parameter. So for that you just have to mention, like I'm mentioning 2015 to 2021. So now it will more refine my search. It will search the papers between, see here, you can see also that between the 2015 and 2021 all the papers are shown here. Okay, and these are options also available here, like if you want to see the latest one, then since 2021 can be applied over here. So these are some basic advanced search tools related to the Google Scholar. Thank you.